Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the touch keyboard icon appear on your Windows 11 taskbar. If you often use a touchscreen device, having quick access to the touch keyboard. First, begin by right-clicking on the Start icon located at the bottom. Next, from the menu that appears, click on Settings. Then, in the Settings menu, select Personalization. Then, within the Personalization menu, locate and select Taskbar from the list on the left side. After that, locate the Touch Keyboard option and click on the menu next to it. From the drop-down menu, choose Always. This ensures that the Touch Keyboard icon will always be visible on your taskbar, making it easy to access whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.